Service to Whitefield. Calling at Stepford East, High Street, Whitefield Lido, Stepford UFC, Woodhead Lane, Horton Rake, and Whitefield. This train is formed of 4 coaches. The train now approaching platform 3 terminates here.
Welcome on board this Airlink service to Airport Terminal 2. We will call...
The train now approaching platform 1 terminates here. This train is the service from Lynn by the Sea. Platform 10 for the 1648 Stepford Connect service to Leighton
This
City.
is Stepford
Calling at
Central.
Stepford East,
This train
St
terminates
Helens
here.
Bridge,
All
Angel
change,
Pass. Leighton City has been cancelled. This is due
This
to
is
a member of the train
Stepford
crew being
East.
unavailable.
This train is for Whitefield. The next station is High Street.
Your attention, please. The 1704 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria.
This is High Street. This train is This train is for Whitefield. This is Stepford UFC. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Woodhead Lane. This train is for Horton Rake. This is Horton Rake. This train is for Whitefield. The next station is Whitefield. This is Whitefield. This train terminates here. All change, please. Thank you for travelling with us today.
Service to Stepford Central. Stepford East and Stepford Central. This train. Your attention, please. The 1703 Stepford Connect. Cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Of 4 coaches.
This train is for Stepford Central. The next This is Stepford UFC. This train is for Stepford Central. The next station is Whitefield Lido. This is White Central. The High Street. This is High Street. This train is Stepford East. This train is for Stepford Central. The next is Stepford Central.
This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable.
Stepford Central, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass. All changes. Cox, thank you for travelling with us today. Benton Bridge, Stepford Airport Parkway, and Stepford Airport.